Stoplight's inbound-outbound scale program. The remote display can be configured to run either an inbound or outbound scale system using a full truck scale. In an inbound truck scale, you pull onto the scale one axle at a time, and then you get the total at the end. For this, you'd set option 7 to 0 and 8 to 7. In an outbound truck scale system, you'd pull the truck onto the full scale and then pull off one axle at a time. For this system, you'd set option 7 to 0 and 8 to 8. In this example, we will use an inbound scale system. The scale is at 0 with a green light signaling to pull onto the scale. The driver begins to pull his first axle onto the system. When the weight is stabilized, axle 1 will be displayed, and then the driver can pull the second axle onto the system. Again, once the weight is stabilized, axle 2 will be displayed with just the weight of axle 2. And the driver can pull the third axle onto the system. In this scenario, we will only simulate 3 axles, but you can use as many axles as you like. Once the third and final axle is displayed, the driver will then remain where he's at to show that there are no further axles. The total will be displayed of all the axles, and the driver can pull off of the scale. Once the driver is off the scale, the system will reset, the green light will turn on, and it'll be ready for the next driver.